With your first alert forecast.
A cold front cleared us out yesterday. High pressure in control for just the morning hours today, and now you can see the influence of moisture trying to return back. That's the cloud cover you see out there right now. It is all low level because in the mid level and upper levels we actually have some drier air, and you got to look back to the four corners for our actual next storm system. So that's why it won't be until tomorrow night that we see the rain, even though the moisture is already starting to pump in. Most of the precipitation is actually going to go up toward the Ohio River Valley, and a big concern for flooding in northwestern portions of Kentucky. For us, well, the pollen count, you may have noticed the pollen grains on your car back into the high category. Juniper and elm still your main pollinators. Oak is up there as well, and we're going to start to see the others start to pollinate, even though we should see some cooler temperatures help to knock that back for a little while here soon. 69 the temperature in Panama City, same thing in Bluntstown, 67 in Marianna as well as Apalachicola, 69 in Defuniak Springs. 72 for the day tomorrow, 77 for inland areas, warmer, breezy and cloudy. Most of the day could run into a stray shower. The wind out of the southeast, 15 to 20 miles an hour. On the radar right now, it is nice and dry. You saw the overall action, or as far as the small craft advisory, disappear, and then you'll see it come back. As we look toward the end of the loop here, at least on the radar, some virga showing up, showing some shower activity, so you might see a stray drop overnight tonight into the morning hours, about a 20% chance of rain overall. The wind, that's the biggest issue out of the storms that are coming as we go into Sunday morning. There is at least somewhat of a threat of a tornado. Quick spin up on that line segment as it works on through, and you can't discount some small hail as well. But overall, again, just a spotty shower tonight through the day tomorrow as well. The wind and the cloud cover with us as we go through the day tomorrow. By 9 o'clock, we'll be keeping a close eye on that line segment of storms. The strongest segment of the storm should be as it is approaching, and then by the time it works into the Panhandle, we should be talking about a weakening line of storms. Regardless, you can see these bowing segments showing up on at least our futurecast here, and that would highlight an enhanced wind field where you see the merger of these thunderstorms. That's where you get these little couplets and inflow. That's where you could see a quick brief spin up or tornado. So I expect that we'll probably see some warnings across the area Sunday morning. Make sure you have a couple of ways to receive those warnings, whether that be the Storm Track 13 app or a weather radio, as we work through Sunday morning into Monday. And we'll be talking about some much colder temperatures. So this is how it should time out. The western side of the area between 2 and 6 a.m. Central portions of the area between 4 and 9 a.m. And then as you work over toward the eastern portions of the area, should be working out as we get to about noon. And that's not it. It's going to be cold Monday morning for inland areas. We could even see some patchy frost. And if you like a cold rain, well, next Wednesday is just going to be your party. 57, 58, maybe 2 or 3 inches of rain throughout the day. It's going to be a miserable day.
I wouldn't exactly describe it as a party, but you know.